Wow, what can I say? What an absolutely incredible few days. I'm Abdulatif Adeji, your convener, and just feeling the energy from our community of 10,000 people, it's been nothing short of electrifying. We came together with a real mission, and I think it's safe to say we've sparked something truly special here. So it's my honor to try and capture that magic and distill our amazing journey into its most powerful takeaways.
So, here's a quick look at the path we're about to retrace. We started by redefining our vision, thinking beyond just the numbers. Then, we got practical with the Modern Mathematician's Toolkit. From there, we zoomed out to see our borderless global future. And finally, we brought it all together with the most important formula of all, hope.
All right, let's rewind right back to the beginning. Because this summit, it wasn't just another event on the calendar, was it? It was a response to something urgent, a real call to action for every single one of the 10,000 brilliant minds who joined us.
This right here, this was our North Star. For far too long, there's been this gap, this disconnect. We came here to challenge the idea that a grade on a piece of paper is the final word on your potential. We argued that real success, that's measured by the problems we're brave enough to tackle. It's about making our brilliance count in the real world.
And the answer we found together, well, it wasn't about finding X and Y anymore. It was about a total upgrade, a brand new mindset for seeing opportunity, a powerful new tool set for building solutions, and a much, much bolder vision for the kind of impact we can have, not just here, but across Africa and the entire world.
Of course, a new vision needs new capabilities. So our journey got very practical, very fast. It all started with getting the right tools in our hands, and for that, we have to give a massive thank you to the fantastic Mr. Isaac Olasupo for leading us through that amazing introductory workshop on R. And this insight from the workshop really hit home. Our theoretical knowledge is the engine, sure, but these computational skills, that's the high-octane fuel. It's all about making our math not just elegant, but genuinely effective. It's about turning those abstract formulas into real, tangible solutions that people and industries can actually use.
What was so cool about the workshop was you could feel our thinking evolving in real time. We saw how a language like R pushes us way beyond being human calculators. Suddenly, we're architects, we're designing functions, we're modeling complex systems, and maybe most importantly, we're visualizing our data to tell compelling stories that actually persuade people and drive real action.
So, now we're armed with these powerful new tools. What's next? Well, we were ready to expand our horizons. We started looking beyond our own borders, and we were guided by the incredible wisdom of our global panelists, Dr. Emmanuel Dansu, all the way from Japan, and Dr. Adedio Adeniji, joining us from Australia. I just loved the dynamic we had on this panel. It gave us this powerful, really productive tension. On one side, you had Dr. Dansu highlighting the undeniable value of academic excellence. Build that solid foundation, aim for that first class, find those mentors. But then on the other side, Dr. Adeniji comes in with this vital reminder that your grade does not define your destiny. What truly sets you apart is your ability to translate your knowledge into real, meaningful value for society.
And what we all learned is that being borderless isn't really about your physical location. It's a complete shift in your mindset. It's about realizing your skills are a universal language. It's about actively seeking out guidance. And it's about relentlessly asking that one crucial question, so what? That question is the bridge between a solution on a page and real, meaningful action out in the world.
And this quote, this one from Dr. Adeniji just became the rallying cry for the entire summit, didn't it? It's such a powerful reminder that every single one of us, right here, right now, has what it takes. We are empowered by our unique mathematical minds to be leaders, to be innovators, and to be genuine change makers. And that brings us to the final piece of the puzzle. We brought it all home. We wove together these new tools, this borderless vision, this incredible spirit of empowerment, and we connected it all to the very heart of our mission, to the one variable that makes everything else work: hope. I don't know about you, but that spoken word performance, it was such a powerful emotional anchor for all of us. It reminded us of our why. It made us realize that every single equation we balance, that's not just some academic exercise. No, it's an act of defiance against doubt. It's a declaration of the brighter future that we are all actively building, together. This line just captured our collective spirit so perfectly. That persistence it takes to chase down a really difficult proof when you just want to give up? That is the exact same spirit we need to build our careers, our companies, and our communities, especially when the challenges out there feel so immense. We keep going. And this right here, if you take away only one thing from our time together, please let it be this. Mathematics gives us the tools. It sharpens our minds. It gives us the logic to solve the world's most complex problems. But hope is what strengthens our will to actually apply those skills for the greater good. They aren't separate. They're twin flames.
So I'm going to leave you with this question. Over these past few days, we've armed ourselves with new tools. We have clarified our vision. We have absolutely reignited our hope. We've been reminded that the numbers give us a universal language. So the only question left is, what story will we, the borderless mathematicians of Africa, tell with it? Let's go out and start building the future that we no longer have to just imagine. Thank you.